Load your family into the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, rear wipers, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.